doing abs every single day, but still no six-pack? Then this video is for you. Most people think abs come from doing hundreds of crunches, but that's completely wrong. You can actually have strong abs and still look like you don't. First mistake: doing abs every single day. Abs are muscles, and muscles need rest to grow. Train your abs only 3 to 4 times a week, not daily. Second mistake: ignoring fat loss. Your abs are already there, they're just hidden under fat. If your diet is bad, no amount of exercise can save you. Third mistake: only doing crunches. Crunches alone won't build strong, visible abs. You need exercises that challenge your entire core. Here are 3 exercises that actually work. 1. Hanging leg raises. 2. Ab wheel rollouts. 3. A plank with proper form. Do these consistently and results will come. Train smart, not stupid. Save this video and follow.